All right, so here is our task. We are going to rip up all this carpet, move all of this furniture, and install a new oak floor and sand and finish it to match this. And here's the wood I delivered, and here's where the furniture is going to go. And there's Penny. Hello, Penny. You're doing a good job. Okay. Okay, so we're getting ready to start the install, and to do it building correct, you're supposed to install your wood at 90 degrees to your floor joists. The floor joists run this way. The floor joists run this way. So that's the correct way to do it. But cosmetically speaking, it would have been nice to run the master bedroom going towards the windows. So some folks like to go for the cosmetics and say, I don't care, run it that way, it's going to look great. And be it as it may, if it starts to get bellies between the joists, so be it. But in this case, we're going to run it correct with the joists. I just approved it with the customer. I said, does the idea of the cosmetics outweigh the best practices? And she said, no, let's go with that. Okay, so it's really 6 or half a dozen, because it takes, in order for the floor to have a belly between the joists, it takes like 100 years for that sag to start happening. So I don't know. It's really up to the customer's choice. And all right, we're going to start the install now. All right. These are running perfectly straight with the other boards. And you put these little blocks to brace them so you can nail against it and they won't move. Now we're ready to put the black paper down and do the layout. That's the fun part, doing the layout. Actually, it's all fun. All right, so we made good progress today. Our starting point is in. I'm going to get some inlaid saddles for these tomorrow. The main part is laid out. This is too small to lay out. You just got to grab the sticks and do it. Okay. That's it.